hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, no? May hacker to. Hacker to guys, no? Kung sino nakakita dito sa player na to, kailangan nyo lumayo. Oh, you are hacker, ha? Sinin ko, no? Sinin ko guys, na. Oh, you are hacker. I'm finding who is the real hacker. Oh, nothing. Bye. Oh, nothing. Bye. Bye. Ito na pinaghihintay ko. 10 buwan na. Guys, wala ko admin na. Pero who is watching this video? Jandel, I'm finding the freaking hacker. Oh, trade with me. Okay. Trade with this. Please trade with me. Oh, I mean no. Oh, no. I'm waiting for a long time. Jandel, if you see this, you need ban this guy right now. Please, Jandel. Opo. Please, Jandel, help me. Please, help me, Jandel. Help me. I need this ban. I need try this. Opo. She's not only one. If guys, I'm waiting for a long time to flying like that. The fucking. Oh, you're flying and cheating. No. I need to get away from him. Ano sabi niya? Nah, this man, no. Okay, I need to research this. Pag ako talaga hindi gumana sa akin. I don't know. Yeah, she is cheater. E-I-P. Guys, who is watching this video is need call Jandel. Holy crazy, bro. P nga eh, P. Okay, I need like L-I. No, not like that. I. Oh, it's not working to me. Okay. Nothing happening. Guys, ano ba? Sabihin na ba natin ko ito kay Jandel? OMG. What is it? If you hacker, not good actually. Okay, good hacker. You are good hacker. Oh, hacker, hello. Oh, hacker, hello. Hello, hacker. What's up? What are you doing, huh? Bruh. I don't care to your power. I know what is happening here. Hindi niya alam kung what is coming in. It will be fun. Alam niyo naman guys, diba? Jandel is my friends and the Facebook. Anong pangalan nito, dude? Oh, this guy. I need to like picture him. I mean, hacker is good but not good. Okay, the hacker is good. Oh yeah, right, your money. Yeah. You know what is coming, right? You know what is coming. Don't worry, bro. Jandel is my friend. Hey man, don't worry. Don't worry, bro. Bro, wait. Oh no, don't worry, bro. I'm friends, Jandel. But only Facebook. I'm being picture his name. Goodbye, see you later. Goodbye, see you later. Stop the cat. Now you can't never ban me, bro. I'm friends with Jandel. You can never ban me. Alam nyo ba guys? Di ba alam? Oh no. I need to tell Jandel. Guys, thank you no sa sama nyo sa akin. Pipicturean lang natin to no. Paano ko na yan? Papanorin ko na. Okay, send ko na yung video kay Jandel. Kasi this man is cheater. Picture. Yup, this a hacker. So, send ko na yan. Guys, mag-like and subscribe kayo ah. Goodbye. Ay, hindi meron pa. Bro, Jandel is my friends in the Facebook. I'm being picture you. Bro, Jandel is my friends in the Facebook. You know about that. You know. I'm not joking. I'm telling the truth. I'm not joking. But only Facebook. I have evil plan. Guys, hindi talaga ako nagjo-joke. Antayin nyo na ang part 2 ah. Sigurado ako, banto boy, wala na to boy, ban ka na sa ano, ang grow garden. Mababan ka. Okay, mali. Magbaban ka. Mababan siya. Wala na nag-leave o hindi. Mababan ka, boy. Pag nalaman to, boy. Goodbye. Boom. Guys, mag-like and subscribe kayo. Ako crazy yun ah. Part 2.